Hey guys, I'm Mark. Check out what I have, if you can hear me, man. I have found an abandoned RV with a house with 37 dogs. Hey, let's check out this abandoned fireball. Hey, I'm Mark. Hey, I'm Mark with the Art of RVing with 37 dogs behind me. If you're not a subscriber, be a subscriber. You're gonna love these videos, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you. So we're gonna check out this abandoned fireball right on the highway with 37 dogs behind me. So there's some of the dogs. Wow. If I get bit, let me know. So it looks like it had this fiberglass front on it here. Lift it up. There's a logo on it here. And here's the sides on it. Looks like it's cool. It goes up and down there. On the side, the windows still look really good in it. I wonder what year. He thinks it's like from the 60s. That might be the bathroom there. We'll find out. A little storage with some kind of nest in there. This is an awesome back on it. Look how it curves down. Juts out. Oh, it's beautiful. There's a good close-up of the logo, Fireball. There's the back of it. Yeah. So here's some of the 37 dogs, and I keep thinking that dog's going to be able to jump over the top of that, and I hope that's not true. I guess we're going to have to find out in a minute when I go by the door, which is right by it. Oh, wish me luck here. Always exciting on these. There's the door and the front. Alright, so let's go in and see what this is all about. Whoa. Alright. First view. Man, I think something's gonna fall out of there. I'm gonna check that out. There's some kind of controller there, Sony controller. Look at those cabinets. Looks really cool how that goes up, goes in. There's some cabinets in this thing. Look at that. That wood. There's a window. There's the front. And it looks like I got some tools in here. Some assorted things. Like some little girls' toys. Let's see. On the ceiling. The side of it, that's original paneling right there. Look, this floor is kind of spongy, but doesn't fall through. Look at that cool window. I bet it will. Oh gosh. God, I'm falling through. Let's see. Look at that accordion. Something just fell on me. Look at that accordion divider puts in that window right there. I bet that's original cabinetry there. Look at that. Yep. That must be where the dinette went at one point. And this must be, oh, there's the table for the dinette right there. And this must be where the couch was, with some storage over it. It's got a lot of storage to be so little. Uh-oh. Should I step on that? Man, that looks okay. Anything for the viewers. And there's the original shower. Look at that. It's kind of like linoleum up there. And that's the shower window, just like I said a while ago. Looks like that's where the shower went. Look at all that stuff. Need a gas can? And that looks like a bathtub down there. Look at that sink. Before it was broken, man. That was a big sink. Uh-oh. Nice. That must be where the hot water heater is with the mirror. Oh my gosh, I'm falling through. Look at that original lamp. Man, this place is great. Look at those shelves. Them original sconce. Got some tools in here. Saw. Looks like it just opened up right here into this main living room right here. A lot of room in here. Looks like most of it's been taken out. So, there you have it. I'm going to spin back around and show it to you one more time. Look at this thing. Give you a look in here. A lot of tools. I love how that gets lower right there. That's where that front comes up. The top comes up right there. Comes down. Look how much room is in here. I bet this is a 21 footer, something like that. Nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I survived another one.